crazy fun. Definitely crazy fun. I've had a few people out there, they're like, you're the Lenny's guy, right? And I'm like, yeah, that's me. And they're like, you need a raise.
When he dances, we usually have a lot of customers come, and a lot of people call and say crazy things.
They'll call and they'll say, I don't know what you're feeding that boy, but I need a double dose of it, or, you know, what's he on, because where can I get it?
Is he doing drugs? How much does he get paid to do that, and stuff like that.
When I come in and I hear about phone calls coming in saying, you know, I was having such a bad day today and I just want you to know that Lenny's guys made my day better or whatever, and just that kind of stuff, man. Just, I love making people smile and laugh and everything. They'll have people out there that when they'll pull up and they'll just start dancing along with me and stuff, and it's just, I mean, it's funny. It's funny to watch other people and see their reactions.
It makes my day every time I drive by here.
I just can't help to get a smile on my face.
I want to throw some money at him.
When people say he's dancing, sometimes it makes you want to go look. It's pretty funny. It makes my day.
I went out there, I said, boy, what are you doing? And he goes, I'm just having fun. I said, well, keep it up. Phone started ringing. People were calling. You know, they said, hey, we had no idea you were there. You know, we're going to stop by. I was really impressed.
I do like to picture it as just this big, huge stage up and everyone's around it, you know, and everybody's just kind of like, ah, or whatever. I kind of like to sing while I'm out there. I don't sing loudly. It's usually some kind of upbeat, like loud rock music, you know. There's been a couple of times where I've tripped over my own feet, and it's pretty fun. It's great. It feels really good.